Blood for the Blood Angels.
Sons of Baal, rejoice. The Blood Angels are here.
I painted 2,000 points in 7 weeks. I did it.
Oh, God. Yeah, everybody that's ever watched our videos ever has gone, don't paint a whole army of black. And you've gone, I will.
I went, hold my beer.
Yeah, you did. And you painted a whole 2,000 point army in 7 weeks.
Yeah, so those of you that have watched the videos for a while, you can see I've been shouting to the houses about, I want to do Blood Angels. And everyone's like, no, you won't. It'll end up in the garage. You'll never do it.
You'll sell all your backlog within weeks, you loser.
Yeah, and I did it.
You did do it. You did the thing, which is amazing.
So it all started with that Blood Angels Death Company box.
Yes, and what a box it was.
Which we tried to paint in a day.
Which didn't work out very well, but we did it anyway because we tried and it was fun content for you, I hope.
Yes.
But here we are now with a beautiful list that is tried, tested. You've what, 5 games? 4 games?
7.
7 games, which is a revelation.
8 at the time of recording, because I'm going to destroy and loot him with 30 Death Company Marines at the weekend.
Digest that. It's a great time. It's a great time to be had. So the Sons of Baal have very much arrived. Walk us through the theme, what the ideas were, and why you chose that.
I liked it. End of video.
End of video, yeah.
Yeah,
well, that's it, we're done.
The army currently consists of just over 2,000 points, I think, in total, because of the amount of normal Death Company Marines I've got. So it started with the launch, it wasn't really a launch box, the special Death Company box. So that had 10 Jump Marines in it, the Dreadnought, and Lamarties and Astaroth.
Real nice.
Which I did finish.
You did, and some.
We finished the normal Marines in the challenge and everything else I had to then paint later on. But I did.
You did.
So I finished that and then went, you know what I could do? I could run 30 Death Company Marines with jump packs.
It's exactly what you would think it would be like to play against. Horrible.
Really fun.
Absolutely horrible. As the opponent, you're like, I don't know what to do.
Yeah. So I sent you a message and was like, oh, I could run 30. And you went, do it.
Yeah, odds on.
And I did.
Unfortunately now, we've created a monster where you're already considering another 30, but in red. So you'll have 30.
Yeah, you can run 60 in an army.
Oh, God. So 30 Death Company, 30 Blood Angels, which is absolutely filthy.
There's also the effect on your wallet because they only come in boxes of 5.
Yeah, it's absolutely rotten. Absolutely rotten.
Luckily I got 10 in the launch box.
In that box, for sure. I think what we should do is probably start from the top. We'll go through all of your heroes or in ascending order from the box and go through each of them.
Yes.
Fantastic.
So, and there'll all be snazzy B-roll.
Snazzy B-roll.
From the launch box, we have 10 Death Company Marines with jump packs. Astaroth in his wings. Lamarties and the Death Company Dreadnought, which you did do in the challenge.
I did do in the challenge.
I did have to fix it because it was speed painted in the challenge. I know you gave me a free commission, but I did have to fix it.
You better check yourself, boy. Continue.
We then moved on to the aforementioned extra Death Company Marines. So I built 20 in one go.
Yep.
And painted 20 in one go. Batch painting 20 Space Marines together.
And with jump packs.
Yeah.
Gross. Absolutely gross. So many red crosses, so many black highlights. Not the one at all. But you don't just have the ones with jump packs either. You also have the ones on foot.
Yeah. I then painted, well, there's the 10 from there. And I did 5, there was 5 that I did as like the tester ones before the challenge. So post-challenge,
15 in total.
15 on foot.
So that's 40 troops.
45.
Sorry, I can't count. Yeah, 40. That's 40. No, it's not 40.
Hilariously, if I ever did paint another 60, if I did the 60 thing and then did some more on foot, I could run a list where there's 100 Space Marines.
That's just disgusting to even think about.
I'd win just on the time it takes to move the army.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. So we're out of time, but I have all of the objectives.
Yeah. So I finished those 20, which batch painting 20 Space Marines together was...
Gross.
Yes, not very fun.
No.
There is Dante as well, which I painted in the challenge.
Tab Lewis that cries.
Again, I had to fix him because he was speed painted.
Woof. God.
Nah, he
You're
invent.
slamming me here.
We haven't even talked about storm racing yet.
No, storm racing's gone.
No, Dante just, as you can see, he does look slightly different to the challenge, and you'll have noticed from the B-roll, the bases are different. But we'll get onto that when I've got through the rest of the list. Post Dante, what else have we got? Nine plasma inceptors.
Oh, hell yeah.
Coming down, blowing themselves up.
Mainly that.
Yeah.
That's a bang.
In fairness, I've played one game with all 9 of them. They came out of the sky and only one died. Always overcharge.
I think, what was it, the game before? So we went to Tabletop Tactics, is like a one-day event thing for like a couple of games. What was that, last week, week before last? 2 weeks ago?
By the time this comes out, probably like
A month ago. Yeah, like a month ago. And I think the first game you played against Nick Spaceballs, you forgot that they were in Deep Strike.
No, that's the next unit I forgot.
Oh, the next unit. Oh, we'll get onto him.
Yeah, they did come down and they didn't really do a lot.
No, that makes sense.
But then game 2 against Dave the Mod, who was also there, they did work. And then to round out the list,
Oh boy.
there's the Sanguinor. Bird Boy, with his cup of Ribena and his sword.
That's not what that is. You didn't paint it as Ribena, did you?
No,
Excellent.
I should have done that.
His chalice of cranberry juice
Yeah.
raining from the sky.
Yeah, so he rounded out the list, and with that I had, I think, depending on when this comes out, depending on what point it was just under 2,000 points. Because my backup was originally, if I didn't get the Inceptors and the Sanguinor done, it was to take a Knight.
Yeah, which is a very different vibe.
It probably plays better than what the 2,000 points of Blood Angels plays, because you've actually got some firepower at the back.
I mean, can we talk about the Sanguinor as well? Because like you,
Man's bad.
I mean, just rules aside. I mean, you painted that in what, like 2-3 days?
3 days. I painted that in 3 days.
3 days. The gradients on the wings are absolutely stunning. The white armor is clean. Real nice. And the blood from the mask as well.
Yeah,
you
really,
went
really macabre.
Yeah, you went full metal with him, and it was
So
sick.
I don't like painting gold at all. So I was like, I don't want to just do him all gold, because I don't enjoy painting gold, so I wouldn't spend as much time on it. So I was like, right, let's go like the opposite. So you've got Death Company at one side, and then at the other end is white. You've got Yin and Yang, all that nonsense. So my whole Sanguinor, all the Sanguinary Guard will all be in this weird grey to white gradient.
It looks great though.
I mean, I did slightly rob the idea off Fletcher with his ones he did for the Flesh Terrors.
But he hasn't done a Sanguinor.
No, he hadn't.
You did it first. Suck it, Fletcher.
Yeah, I don't have any Sanguinary Guard, but
yeah.
I do have some in the box.
Yes.
I'm yet to decide what to do with the Sanguinary Guard. I mean, I want to give them wings. Because if I don't, everyone will be like, why didn't you give them wings? They should have wings, they suck.
It's interesting what route you can take, because you can go maybe like more ethereal with the prosecutors from Age of Sigmar, but then you could also go like the old school Sanguinary Guard ones.
I mean, I'd have to take out a mortgage to buy those wings now.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Yeah, trying to find those on eBay for a reasonable price is a bad. Trying to find just the death masks alone is horrendous.
If you'd like to donate some Sanguinary Guard, please inquire to the KieranShow@gmail.com.
Yeah, please send. How many wings do you need?
How many have you got?
I've only got 3. I've only got 1 box.
Only so far.
Because the next stage of this army is the combat patrol. It's the reason I didn't buy multiple boxes of Sanguinary Guard. I was like,
what's in that? It's 2 loads of Sanguinary
6
Guard.
Sanguinary Guard.
So you'd have 9 in total.
I'd have 9.
Gross. Continue.
10 Assault Intercessors.
Would you paint those as Blood Angels or
No,
Death
I'd have
Company?
them as red.
Oh, nice. So
And then the new Blood Angels Captain.
Nice.
So the reason I only bought 1 box of Sanguinary Guards, I'm like, well, I'm never going to run more than 9.
I mean, because that's already insane.
Yeah, so having just the Combat Patrol and the other Sanguinary Guard box on top.
Yeah,
I haven't bought the Combat Patrol box yet because I'm trying to show some restraint. I don't need it yet.
Are we learning?
Maybe.
You're finishing armies, not buying more? What's happening to us?
I'm not even buying a Christmas box this year.
I think we're turning
Pitch me! Is it me?
We're turning into different people. Tell you what, YouTube has really changed us as hobbyists. But yeah.
So that rounds out the 2,000 point army, and it was painted in 7 weeks from that challenge day to a couple of weeks back.
Yeah. I mean, if you guys have got any suggestions what Kieran should paint next, one as an army, because he's done one, which is ridiculous. But 2, any fun Blood Angels units. I've been saying from the rooftop, get some Predators, but he doesn't like the Heresy chassis.
No.
So, yeah, ridiculous. He should get some Bile Predators, but use the Heresy chassis because it's so much cooler.
I mean, I do have a Land Raider Crusader that I could add. I mean, Land Raider Crusader doesn't really fit Blood Angels. I'd probably do it as a normal Land Raider.
Or you can get
Lap
some
cannons
Bile
also.
Predators because Bile Predators is where it's at. Boy.
Need to do a kit bash where I can get the Bile Predator on the Gladiator chassis so it doesn't look so small.
Well, I mean, they'd look...
Just as a smaller side, GW need to decide what they're doing with the old chassis for the tanks.
Oh, that's quite simple. Buy the Heresy ones.
Are they binning? Is the Rhino dead? Is the Land Raider dead? If they are, get rid of him and
they
move my Bile Predator to the new chassis. Or if the Bile Predator is going to stay on the Rhino chassis, fix the Rhino chassis. Just make it bigger. So I built an old Predator when I bought one ages ago. I was like, I wanted to build one of these since I was a kid. I built it, and you put it next to the Repulsor Executioner.
Real bad.
The scale is way off.
Real bad.
It's still a great looking model. It's just the size.
It's just not right. It's not right. So buy the Heresy chassis because they're so much better.
Are they bigger?
No.
Then
The Land Raiders are. The Land Raider Proteus.
Because they're not the same.
Spartan is very big. It's very cool though. Yeah, Spartan and the Proteus I think are wicked. Yeah, if you want tanks, get the Heresy ones because they're wicked.
Next up for this army, I'm probably just going to do... I'd like to paint a Blood Angels captain because I was proxying the Death Company Dante as a Death Company captain. So I'd like to have... Yeah.
Most episodes.
I'd like to have another one.
Another one?
But small side on that army, you'll notice that the basing did change.
Oh yes.
So we initially went with like a John Blanche style orangey red rust, and then we went to Warhammer World and I saw Blood Angels on snow and went, I'm going to go home and rethink my life.
And you did.
Yeah, so I came home, washed all the pigment powder, washed it all off the bases, did the snow, and now I'm much happier. I was never really... The problem is that like the orangey John Blanche style looks really good with Templars because they're what the artwork is.
Yeah, to be fair, like I still think it worked really, really well. And I think we were playing on like a snowboard at Warhammer World, and our friend Leah, Miniature Noodles on Instagram, if you already know her, was like, "Oh, that's strange. I would have thought your army looks really, really good on snow." And then you obviously heard that and went, "Oh no!" And then we walked through the exhibition, and you went, "Oh no!"
Yeah, it's the diorama where the Blood Angels are taking on the Necrons and they're on snow, and you go,
I'm going to go home and rethink my life.
yeah, that's why the basing did change. Let us know in the comments which you prefer. I obviously prefer the snow.
Yeah. He's not going to change it again. That would be insane. But
I can't wash the snow off.
Yeah, if you've got any suggestions of what Kieran should do, i.e. Heresy tanks, you should put those down in the comments down below. Yeah, that would be fab. A huge thank you to everybody on this long list of Kierans now. Huge thank you to you guys, the Cult of Kieran. Welcomes you, worships you. You're the best. We love you.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want some Blood Angels of your own, go and follow the links down below. Give us a like, give us a comment, give us a sub. And I guess we'll see you in the next one.
Blood for the Blood Angels.